The world of cryptocurrency is often seen as complex and exclusive. For many, the intricate charts and volatile market trends can be overwhelming. The jargon, the technology, and the sheer volume of information can make it seem like a domain reserved for tech-savvy individuals and financial experts. It can feel intimidating for newcomers. The fear of making mistakes or losing money can deter many from even attempting to understand or engage with digital currencies. Pi Network emerges as a beacon of change in this landscape. It aims to demystify cryptocurrency and make it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background or financial knowledge. It offers a simple and accessible way for everyday people to engage with digital currency. By focusing on user-friendly interfaces and straightforward processes, Pi Network ensures that anyone can participate. Imagine mining cryptocurrency on your phone, without draining your battery or needing technical expertise. This innovative approach allows users to mine Pi coins effortlessly, making the process as easy as tapping a button. This is the revolutionary approach of Pi Network. It leverages the power of mobile technology to bring cryptocurrency mining to the masses. It utilizes a mobile-first strategy. This means that the entire process, from mining to transactions, can be done seamlessly on a smartphone. This makes participation seamless and user-friendly. Users can easily navigate the app, perform transactions, and mine coins without any hassle. Pi Network prioritizes inclusivity and sustainability. It is designed to be accessible to people from all walks of life, ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to participate in the digital economy. It employs a novel consensus mechanism called the Stellar Consensus Protocol. This protocol is not only secure, but also highly efficient. This protocol minimizes energy consumption. Unlike traditional mining methods that require vast amounts of electricity, Pi Network's approach is environmentally friendly. It stands in stark contrast to the energy-intensive proof-of-work models used by some cryptocurrencies. This makes Pi Network a sustainable choice for the future. Pi Network is more than just a cryptocurrency. It is a platform that fosters a sense of community and collaboration among its users. It's building a vibrant ecosystem. This ecosystem is designed to support a wide range of activities, from transactions to social interactions. This ecosystem empowers individuals and fosters a sense of community. Users can connect, collaborate, and grow together within the Pi Network. It is poised to reshape the future of finance. By making digital currency accessible and sustainable, Pi Network is setting the stage for a new era in the financial world. It is doing this by making cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. With its innovative approach and commitment to inclusivity, Pi Network is truly a new dawn for digital currency.
Dr. Nicholas Kokkalis and Dr. Chengdiao Fan are the visionary minds behind Pi Network. They are not just founders, but pioneers in the field of blockchain technology, bringing a wealth of knowledge and experience to the table. Driven by a shared belief in the transformative power of blockchain technology, they embarked on a mission to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. Their goal was to create a platform that is not only innovative, but also inclusive. They wanted to democratize access to cryptocurrency, ensuring that everyone, regardless of their background or technical expertise, could participate in this new digital economy. Dr. Kokkalis, a Stanford PhD, brings his expertise in social computing and decentralized systems to the forefront. His academic background and practical experience make him a key player in the development of Pi Network.
Dr. Fan, with a PhD in computational anthropology from Stanford, adds her deep understanding of human behavior and social dynamics. Her insights are crucial in designing a system that is user-friendly and socially impactful. Their combined knowledge has resulted in a unique approach to cryptocurrency, one that prioritizes both technological innovation and social good. Pi Network emphasizes user experience and community engagement. They have created a platform that is easy to use and encourages active participation from its users. They believe in empowering individuals by giving them the tools and resources they need to succeed in the digital economy. They want to give people control over their financial destinies, enabling them to make informed decisions and achieve financial independence. Their vision extends beyond just creating a new currency. They aim to build a comprehensive ecosystem that supports innovation and fosters economic growth. They are fostering a global community, bringing together people from all walks of life to collaborate and grow together. This community is united by shared values of trust, inclusivity, and accessibility. Together, they are building a brighter future for everyone.
The innovative approach of Pi Network has garnered attention from prominent figures in the cryptocurrency space. This new digital currency aims to make cryptocurrency mining accessible to everyone, not just those with expensive hardware setups. By allowing users to mine Pi coins on their mobile devices, it democratizes the process and opens up new opportunities for people around the world. Industry experts have recognized the potential of Pi Network. They see it as a groundbreaking project that could change the way people interact with digital currencies. By simplifying the mining process and making it more inclusive, Pi Network is poised to attract a diverse user base. They acknowledge its potential to drive mass adoption of cryptocurrency. Educational initiatives and user-friendly interfaces are key components that experts believe will help Pi Network succeed in bringing more people into the crypto ecosystem. Changpeng Zhao, CEO of Binance, has praised Pi Network's user-friendly design. He has highlighted how the intuitive interface can lower the barrier to entry for new users, making it easier for them to understand and engage with cryptocurrency. He sees it as a key factor in attracting a wider audience to the world of cryptocurrency. Zhao believes that by making the technology more accessible, Pi Network can help drive mainstream adoption.
Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of Ethereum, has expressed his support for Pi Network's focus on sustainability. He has emphasized the importance of creating energy-efficient solutions in the blockchain space. He believes that energy efficiency is crucial for the long-term viability of blockchain technology. By reducing the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining, Pi Network is setting a new standard for sustainability in the industry. These endorsements from respected figures in the crypto community highlight the significance of Pi Network's approach. Their support underscores the project's potential to make a lasting impact on the cryptocurrency landscape. The project is not just another cryptocurrency. It represents a paradigm shift in how digital currencies can be mined and used. It represents a paradigm shift. By making digital currency accessible to a broader audience, Pi Network is paving the way for a more inclusive financial future. It is making digital currency accessible to the masses. This inclusivity is crucial for the widespread adoption of cryptocurrency, as it allows people from all walks of life to participate in the digital economy. This has the potential to revolutionize the financial landscape. By breaking down barriers and making cryptocurrency more user-friendly and sustainable, Pi Network is poised to become a major player in the future of digital finance.
The true value of any currency lies in its utility. Pi Network is actively developing real-world applications for Pi. These applications will showcase its practicality and value. One promising area is in peer-to-peer commerce. Pi Network envisions a future where Pi is used for everyday transactions. Imagine purchasing goods and services directly from other users using Pi. This could revolutionize local economies and empower individuals. Another exciting application is in emerging markets. Pi Network recognizes the potential of blockchain technology to provide financial inclusion in underserved communities. With its mobile-first approach, Pi Network can reach populations that lack access to traditional banking systems. Section 5. The value of Pi decentralization and inclusivity. At its core, Pi Network embodies the principles of decentralization and inclusivity. It aims to empower individuals by giving them control over their own financial destinies. Unlike traditional financial systems, Pi Network is not controlled by any central authority. This decentralized nature ensures fairness, transparency, and security. It eliminates the need for intermediaries. This reduces fees and increases efficiency. Furthermore, Pi Network's commitment to inclusivity is evident in its mobile-first design. By making cryptocurrency accessible on smartphones, Pi Network breaks down barriers to entry. This opens up opportunities for people who were previously excluded from the financial system. Section 6. Navigating the skepticism, addressing the doubts. As with any disruptive innovation, Pi Network has faced its share of skepticism. Some critics question the project's legitimacy. Others doubt its potential to deliver on its promises. However, it is important to approach these criticisms with a balanced perspective. Pi Network is still in its early stages of development. It is natural for there to be uncertainties and challenges along the way. The Pi Network team has consistently maintained transparency. They actively engage with the community, they address concerns and provide regular updates on the project's progress. This open communication is crucial for building trust and fostering a sense of shared ownership. Section 7. The road ahead, Pi Network's future. Pi Network is on an exciting journey. The project has a clear roadmap for the future. This roadmap includes the launch of its mainnet. It also involves the expansion of its ecosystem of apps and services. The mainnet launch will be a significant milestone. It will mark the transition of Pi Network from its current enclosed network to a fully decentralized blockchain. This will enable users to have full control over their Pi. It will also facilitate its use for transactions and other applications. The development of a robust ecosystem of apps and services is another key priority. Pi Network envisions a future where Pi is integrated into various aspects of our digital lives. This includes social media, e-commerce, and even gaming. Section 8. A call to action. Join the Pi revolution. The Pi Network community is growing rapidly. People from all over the world are joining the movement. They are drawn to its vision of a more inclusive and accessible financial future. If you are inspired by the potential of Pi Network, now is the time to get involved. Downloading the Pi Network app is easy. You can start mining Pi on your smartphone right away. Joining the Pi Network community is more than just mining cryptocurrency. It is about being part of something bigger. It is about contributing to a project that has the potential to change the world. Section 9. Conclusion. A new era of financial empowerment. Pi Network represents a new era of financial empowerment. Its unique approach to cryptocurrency mining, its commitment to sustainability, and its focus on real-world applications make it a truly transformative project. As Pi Network continues to evolve and grow, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about and interact with money. By empowering individuals and fostering a global community, Pi Network is creating a more inclusive and equitable financial future for all.